Click on the link below to get price. The Aipas F3 Electric Bike for adults stands out in the crowded e-bike market with its impressive specifications and thoughtful design. Featuring a robust 1500W peak motor, this bike delivers exceptional power, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The acceleration is smooth, and the bike can handle inclines effortlessly, providing a sense of freedom and excitement on every ride. One of the standout features is the 48V12.8Ah removable battery. This battery not only offers a commendable range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on riding conditions and mode, but it's also easy to remove for convenient charging. This is a significant benefit for those living in apartments or places without easy access to power outlets. The fast charging capability ensures minimal downtime, allowing riders to get back on the road quickly. The bike's build quality is impressive, with a sturdy frame designed to support heavier loads while maintaining stability. It features front suspension forks that absorb shocks effectively, providing a comfortable ride over bumps and rough terrain. The adjustable seat and ergonomic handlebars ensure comfort for various body types, making it suitable for long rides. Braking is another strong point of the Aipas F3, equipped with front and rear disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power regardless of weather conditions. Safety features such as reflectors and a bright LED headlight enhance visibility, making it a suitable choice for night riding. Moreover, the bike comes with a user-friendly LCD display that provides essential information like speed, battery level, and distance traveled, helping riders stay informed and manage their rides effectively. Overall, the Aipas F3 electric bike is a versatile and powerful option for adults who seek both performance and comfort. Whether for daily commutes or leisurely weekend rides, this e-bike combines style, functionality, and durability, making it a worthwhile investment.